In front of me is XIAOMI 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now click on one of your albums and hold your photo that you wish to delete. Now to select multiple ones, click on Select All and then tap on Remove at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!